So what is your name?
Janine Moscow.
And what brings you here?
I had arthritis and bunion in my left toe. Same thing happened to me 10 years ago on the right foot. I had surgery then to fix it. I got to the point where I was not able to walk at all. This toe wasn't as bad, but I knew it was going to be that way eventually, so I decided to be preemptive and get it fixed.
And how was the surgery after you got it fixed? How does it feel now that you got it fixed?
Oh, it's very good. It's only been, I think, 6 weeks, maybe 7 weeks. And I feel like, I'm able to walk normally, obviously not pushing on the toe. And I haven't had a regular shoe on yet, but I will after this visit. But I've been able to walk around, do my household chores, gardening.
Wonderful.
I have not taken long walks, though, like I used to yet.
Wonderful. And what would you recommend, or what would you tell anybody listening or watching this video?
What would I recommend to people? I would recommend them to get the surgery done before your foot gets too bad.
And where are you at right now?
I'm at Corrective Step Foot Health Center.
Well, thank you so much for your testimonial and your experience, and we wish you further recovery. Take care.
Thank you.